I missed the trail.
Wow.
It's a mean downhill cliff.
Oh,
Be careful. Yeah. Good. Oh, ooh.
I tried.
We're almost out. Yeah.
Oh, it's fucking packed today, huh?
Yee-hee.
It's raining.
Yeah. Yee. Oh, what? Oh! It's a pink ribbon. Come on. Yee.
Let's go. Oh shit.
No, don't go up there.
No? You don't think so?
No.
I know, I'm gonna fucking
You can do it. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you gotta do it again. I think I am kind of hungry. Oh, that tire's pretty good. I think we're supposed to go left.
We're supposed to go left, no?
Yeah. Oh well. Ah, shit. I went the wrong way. Now I was gonna go this way, but then the tree, Easy. Oh shit.
Nut busting, huh? Yeah. Thank God I got mine removed.
Oh.
Wait, what?